Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we will see the paging as a memory management skill. The objective of this lecture is to learn a paging as a memory management technique, and the outcome is to apply memory management technique for paging simulation. Now, paging is a memory management technique which allows the non-contiguous memory allocation. And the advantage of this non-contiguous memory allocation is it avoids external fragmentation, and it also avoids the problem of various size memory chunks. In paging, the physical memory is divided into fixed size blocks called as the frames, and the logical memory is divided into fixed size block called as the pages. Now, the page table is used to translate the logical address to the physical addresses. When a process is to be executed, its pages are loaded into any available memory frames from the backing store. The backing store is divided into fixed size memory blocks that are of the same size as the memory frames. To run the program of size n pages, we need to find out n free frames and load the program. Now here in this diagram, whenever process want to execute, it requires 4 pages. So the logical memory is divided into 4 pages from page 0 to page 3. Now in page table, these page numbers acts as a indices and the frame numbers are the contents of this page table. For example, for page number 0, the frame number 1 is allocated. Now in physical memory, we can see the frame number 1 contains page 0. So the frame 1 is associated with page 0. Similarly, for page 1, the allocated frame is frame number 4. Now see in the physical memory, frame 4 is associated with page 1. Likewise, all the free frames are associated or allocated to the required pages. Now consider the example, whenever new process comes into system, it requires for execution, it requires 4 pages. Now it will search for free frame list. The free frame list consists of the sequence of frames which are currently free. Now from this free frame list, each page will be allocated. For example, page 0 will be allocated to frame number 14, that is the first free frame from the list. Likewise, second page, that is page number 1, will be allocated to frame number 13, that is the next free frame in the list. Likewise, page 2 is allocated to frame 18 and page 3 is allocated to page 20. This map is before allocation, and now after allocation, page 0 will be allocated to frame 14, page 1 is allocated to frame 13, that is in sequence with the free frame list. In sequence, the free frames are 14, 13, 18 and 20. So the pages will be allocated in the same sequence as 14, 13, 18 and 20. Along with that, page table is also built, that is frames are stored in the sequence from page 0 frame 14, for page 1 frame 13, for page 2 frame 18 and for page 3 frame 20. And after allocation, the free frame list is modified, that is previously it is 14, 13, 18, 20 and 15, and now after allocation 4 frames got allocated and now only 1 frame is remained, that is frame number 15. Now we will see how logical addresses are converted into physical addresses. The processor generates, CPU generates the logical addresses which has 2 parts, that is the page number and page offset. The address is divided into 2 parts. First is the page number, which is used as the index into page table, which contains the base address of each page in the physical memory. Page offset is combined with the base address to define the physical memory address that is sent to the memory unit. And this is the structure, that is first is page number, second is page offset. It is again represented in the terms of m-1, m-n and n, where m is the length in bits of that physical logical address and n is nothing but the page size represented by 2 raised to n. Now this is the structure for paging, that is paging hardware. First of all, CPU generates the logical addresses which has the format page number and the displacement. Now this page number acts as the index to the page table. Now P represents the page number. Now at index P in the page table, there is a frame number or the base address of the physical memory where the pages will reside. Now along with this frame number, the displacement field of the logical address is added and we will get the physical address for that particular page. That is, the frame number acts as the base address and D acts as the displacement or the offset. Whenever addition of this frame number with the displacement, we will get the actual physical address of the particular page. So this is the conversion of logical address into the physical addresses. Now the page table can be implemented in various ways. The page table is kept into memory. One of the approaches to store the pointers into some of the specified registers. Now there are two types of registers. First is the page table based register, that is PTBR, which points to the page table, and page table length register PTLR indicates the size of page table. Now in this scheme, there is a problem with the approach is that the time required to access a user memory location. If we want to access a location I, we must first index into the page table using the value in the PTBR offset by the page number for I. This task requires the memory access. It provides us with the frame number which is combined with the page offset to produce the actual address. We can then access the desired memory. With this scheme, the two memory accesses are needed to access a byte. That is, one is for the page table entry and second is for the byte. Thus, memory access is slowed by the factor of 2. Now, to avoid this problem, there is one standard solution, that is use of translation look aside buffer, that is use of TLBs. Now TLB is the fast cache memory which will be used to store the pages. Now the TLB is associative high speed memory. Each entry in the TLB consists of two parts. First is a key and second is a value. If key item is found, the corresponding value field is returned. The number of entries in TLB is small and typically of the range from 64 to 1024 entries. Now we will see the associative memory structure, where key is the page number and the value is nothing but frame. That is, if P is in the associative register, get the frame out, otherwise get the frame from the page table. Now see the diagram where the CPU again generates the logical address which has the two fields. First is the page number and second one is the displacement. Now this page number will be presented to the TLB, which will search for the matching entry of the key. That is, it will search for present page number. If match is found, then it returns the corresponding frame number, and that corresponding frame number added with the displacement field in the logical address to get the physical address. And now whenever there is match with the page number in the TLB with the given page number is found, that process is called as the TLB hit. But whenever there is search fails, that means if the searching page number is not present into the translation look aside buffer, this process is called as the TLB miss. That is, whatever page we are searching is not present into translation look aside buffer, so the control will move to the page table. So search that page into the page table. Now in the page table, that page number acts again as the index, and at the particular index it will return the frames, and frame number is added with the displacement to generate the physical address. Whenever there is page miss, at that time the page table entries will be searched and the frame numbers are written. Along with that, the particular page is added into the TLB, that is into the translation look aside buffer. And when the TLB is full At that time, one of the least recently used page will be removed and the new page will be included. So one of the page replacement policy used for the TLB entry is LRU, that is least recently used page will be removed and the currently found page will be inserted into translation look-aside buffer. This is the remedy for the fastest access to the pages and which will speed up the process of logical address to physical address conversion. Thank you.